Dive into the water. Transfer print. You will see how easy it is now to coat the most diverse objects and surfaces. Water transfer printing is a versatile and surprisingly simple method for surface finishing complex, three-dimensional objects. Our well-proven and innovative procedure opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for you. Experience this trend-setting technology of a fascinating coating procedure. We will illustrate our procedure for you step by step and give practical advice from many years of experience. For water transfer printing, you need the proper base and clear coats for the perfect look and longevity of the decor structure. Our special coating films with the decor of your choice to give the object the desired look. Our special activator to liquefy the decor color in order to ensure perfect adhesion with the base coat. One of our dippers to guarantee optimal work conditions with our films and the dipping objects. One of our washers for complete and thorough cleaning after the dipping. And certainly the necessary know-how, which we would like to convey to you in the following 20 minutes. Create unique designs for a great variety of products. Using this object as an example, we will now depict the entire procedure for you step by step. The essential component of water transfer printing is the correct layer structure. The choice of the proper paint system is crucial for the adhesion of every single layer and the durability of the completed decor. The great number of high-quality paint and films in all colors and patterns provides you with almost unlimited combination options. The interplay of base color and film determines the design. Therefore, you first select a decor film and a fitting base color. In order for the decor film to stand out clearly against the base color, use bright colors with dark decor patterns. With bright decor patterns, such as silver, you select a dark or black base color. Pay attention to select film and base color in such a way that all decor colors are clearly accentuated. This applies in particular to very colorful decors, since otherwise film and base colors might cancel each other out. A white or very bright base color is the most suitable here. For decor films with wood grain, you might choose brown tones for the base color. Our large assortment of film decors offers an extensive selection for any taste. There are no limits to your creativity. In addition to our industrially produced standard films, we offer a digital manufacturing process as well. With high-resolution water transfer, we can take any picture you provide to create your individual decor film. The choice of the correct and adequate paint for the undercoat and base coat is of crucial importance for water transfer printing. We recommend a reliable paint system to guarantee optimal results. Depending on the material, the object is first primed, dried, and then sanded. Now, the previously mixed base color is applied. A high-grade base coat provides the foundation for the look and durability of the decor. The exact drying time determines the proper adhesion between base coat and film. Therefore, pay special attention to the exact drying time, as recommended by the manufacturer of the paint, in order to avoid deficient results. If the base coat either dries too long or too short, decor damages like this will be the result. For better clarity, we demonstrate the decor damages using a white-coated form with a black carbon decor. First, with a drying time too short. The base coat is still too soft, which leads to deformations of base color and film color. With the drying time too long, the base coat is too hard. As a result, the decor film cannot compound sufficiently with the base coat. The film color smears or runs off entirely. With some objects, it will be necessary to mask sharp edges and holes with tape in order to avoid incorrect coating. If such a spot is not masked, the film can be pulled in by the water suction that will occur when dipping the object. The film will tear and cannot cover the object evenly, as illustrated here. In order to control objects which are difficult to handle, apply 2 pieces of tape on the inside to hold the object during the dipping process. For cutting the decor film to size, roll it out on a table. Measure a piece of film that will at least cover the outer dimensions of the object in length and width. Add 5 centimeters extra on each side. To make sure that the film will not curl up on the water surface, place diagonal incisions around the edge of the film. These cuts should have a length of about 3 centimeters, with a distance of 3 to 5 centimeters to each other. Alternatively, you can apply several small strips of tape around the edge of the film. Before placing the film on the water surface, the water in the dipping basin should be preheated to a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Therefore, preheat the dipper early enough. The film has to be placed on the water surface with one specific side. Each film has a solvent and a water-soluble side. The water-soluble side is to be placed on the water surface. To find out which side that is, you can wet your thumb and index finger, which should be free of grease, and pick up the film holding both sides. After a few seconds, the film will stick to one finger. That is the water side. When lowering the film on the water, pay attention to the correct technique in order to avoid air pockets. Place the film with one corner on the surface, then lower it diagonally across to the opposite corner. Then spread out the 2 remaining corners evenly. If any air pockets should be caught under the film, push them out gently towards the edge of the film. Any remaining air pockets will result in a damaged decor, as illustrated here. As soon as the film rests on the water surface, place the divider bars evenly around the edge of the film. If the film is not enclosed tightly enough, it might expand too far when being activated, with the effect of warping the decor. As soon as the film lies on the water, it has to soak for a certain amount of time. Set the timer on the dipper to the required time for soaking. The soaking time depends on the layer thicknesses of the respective film. For 30 micrometer films, 1 minute. For 40 micrometer films, 3 minutes. If the soaking time is too short, the water-soluble support layer of the film will not be liquid enough. The decor will show folds and cracks. If the soaking time is too long, too much of the support layer will dissolve. This impairs the extensibility of the decor, with these defects as a result. After the film has been soaked for the prescribed time, the activation follows. The activator dissolves the upper layer of the film and liquefies the decor color. The previously soaked support layer on the underside holds the film together. This viscous state allows the film to cover the object perfectly in the following dipping process and to form an optimal compound with the base coat. For the activation of the film, use our special activator solutions. There are two kinds of activators: a one-component and a two-component activator. The one-component activator has a short processing time of approximately 1 minute. The two-component activator of about 3 minutes. Processing time describes the time span that you have starting with the moment of activation to complete the dipping process. Dipping is the next step. First, we will explain the process of activation. Directly after the soaking, cover the film evenly with activator solution. We recommend a HVLP gun with a 1.3 mm nozzle and an air pressure of 0.8 bar. Too much activator can cause the film to run off the object, as demonstrated by our example. If too little activator is applied, the decor color does not liquefy correctly, and the film does not have sufficient adhesion to the object. After the film is activated, it expands on the water and relaxes. Wait for the film to be completely flat on the water surface. Now you can dip the object. Consider the time window, starting from activation of the film until the dipping process must be completed. Select the dipping angle in such a way that the air between object and film can escape everywhere. Air pockets between film and object can cause these decor defects. While maintaining the angle, dip the object slowly and evenly. The water pressure places the film optimally around the form for perfect surface coating. If you dip too fast, the film does not have sufficient time to stretch in order to properly cover the object. If you dip too slowly and the dipping lasts for too long, the processing time given by the activator can be exceeded. The activator evaporates. The decor color turns solid again. The decor will crack or tear off entirely. If you do not hold the object steady enough during the dipping, these defects might occur. If the dipping angle is measured too steeply, the decor film warps and overstretches towards the end. With longer objects, the film might tear off. Perfect dipping is guaranteed by our fully automatic dipping arms with individually adjustable dipping speed. After dipping, you can clean the dipper basin simply and quickly by turning on the water circulation. The water is released into the filter basin by the built-in circulating pump. The filter removes the remaining film residue, so right away you can get clean water for the next dipping process. After dipping is completed, take the object from the basin and let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now put it into the washer to get rid of any remaining film residue. There, the object is washed for 3 minutes with at least 30 degrees Celsius. In contrast to manual washing, which can cause these decor damages, our stainless steel washers ensure that your coated objects are cleaned perfectly and carefully from all sides. After washing, the object must dry thoroughly. Finally, the clear coat is applied to the object. Be aware that the clear coat fits the entire paint system. This guarantees optimal results for scratching firmness, gloss degree, and longevity. Whether matte, high polish, or with dyed glaze to add yet another color note to the design. The clear coat completes the layer structure and gives the decor the final look. Now you can tell how easily complex forms and surfaces can be coated with our water transfer printing procedure. Our machines and our accessories offer first-class conditions to design high-grade surfaces. Water transfer printing provides you with unlimited possibilities for the refinement of the most diverse objects. Expand your work spectrum and use this amazing technology suitable for all kinds of applications, allowing you to economically create unique designs. Refined by our water transfer printing system, your objects will be an eye-catching experience for everyone. A technology that pays off. Dips and Pieces supplies everything that you need for water transfer printing. We also offer a first-class assortment of machines and accessories for industrial applications, up to fully automated systems. Our comprehensive service also includes the individual development of machines and customized dipping frames, according to your specific requirements. Dips and Pieces, Industrial solutions for water transfer printing.